So over here you can see that I got a design right here, and in this particular design I have used some color palettes right here on the bottom, as you can see, for this design and for this design as well. So this one is not much. So let's say what I want to actually do is generate out a color chart out of the color palettes that I have right here in this project. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto tools, and then you can go around over here onto script, and then simply choose run script right here. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have. And now you can go ahead and select, let's say for example, color chart creator right here. So once you go ahead and select that, and then click on run right here, you can go ahead and choose document palette, because I want the color palettes of this particular document. Once you go ahead and select it, you can set the spacing and outline as well, but I'm just going to keep it as it is and press OK, and this is the color palette right here. So you can see all of the colors listed right here has been added in the document right here with its RGB values, just like this, as you can see. Apart from this, let me just go to this particular design right here. Not much of a design, but a collection of random shapes, but these are the colors that are used in this design. So to create a color palette for this, I'm going to go around onto tools, then onto script, then I'm going to click on run script, and then what you can do is you can simply go around over here and choose color chart creator, hit the run button, and then you can go around and press OK, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the color chart creator script inside of CorelDraw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.